In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an alias in Google Workspace. If you've ever wanted to streamline your email by adding alternate addresses to your existing account, this guide will help you do just that. By the end of this session, you'll be able to manage multiple email identities with ease right from your Google Workspace. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to head over to Google Workspace. This platform is your central hub for all things related to managing your business emails and other tools. Once you're there, look for the admin console. It's the gateway to customizing and managing the settings of your Google Workspace account. After navigating to the admin console, you will be prompted to log in. Make sure to use your business email credentials for this step. These credentials are crucial as they provide you with access to all the administrative features necessary for adding your email alias. With successful login, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Google Apps menu, which is an invaluable tool for navigating different Google services quickly. Click on the admin icon located within this menu. This action will lead you directly to the administrative functions of your workspace. Once inside the admin area, our next stop is the directory. The directory serves as the control center for managing all user accounts associated with your Google Workspace. To get there, simply follow the link provided in the navigation bar within the admin dashboard. The next step involves clicking on Users. This section gives you a comprehensive list of all the email accounts associated with your domain. It's here that you'll select the specific account profile to which you'd like to add an email alias. Locate the user profile you wish to update and click on it. Now look for the option that says Add Alternate Emails. By clicking this, you open up a field where you'll input the desired alias. An email alias acts as a secondary address for the same inbox, thus granting greater flexibility for managing different communication threads. Once you've typed in the new alternate email, the final step is to click on the Save button. This action ensures that the alias is officially added and active. Creating an email alias is not just a technical setup, it opens up various opportunities to manage professional communications more efficiently. With email aliases, you can segregate different communications for projects, departments, or clients without juggling multiple accounts. And that's it, you've successfully created an alias in Google Workspace. Feel free to explore further customization options within Google Admin to enhance your workspace setup. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to assist. Make sure to subscribe for more useful workshops like this in the future.